and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making honey walnut shrimp, guys. This recipe is under 30 minutes and the shrimp are crispy. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, I have my shrimp in a bowl. So what I like to do before adding on my spices is grab some paper towel, and I am going to soak up the extra fluid that is in here. My shrimp are clean and deveined, and they are ready for seasoning. I would like to start with some garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, salt, Mirin seasoning. Now give that a good mix. Egg white from 1 egg. Give it a good whisk. Add it to your shrimp. We are going to mix that. Set this aside while we work on our walnuts. For the walnuts, I like to preheat my oven to 350 degrees and spread them on a cookie sheet. And we're going to stick them in the oven and roast them for about 8 minutes or until you start smelling the nice aroma from them. Now I have about 4 minutes left on those walnuts. Now I am going to start with a syrup. So over medium heat in a small pot, I am going to add my water and my sugar. Now go ahead and give that a good stir. And once our walnuts are done roasting, we're going to add them in here. Now that our nuts are done, we're going to add them to the syrup. Go ahead and give that a stir. And we're just going to cook that in here for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, this is how our nuts are looking. As you can see, they are fully coated with that syrup. So now what you want to do is turn off your heat. Now using your cookie sheet, and we're just going to spread them out. After spreading them out, now we are going to start with our sauce. For our sauce, we are going to add our mayo into a bowl. And I am using Japanese mayo, some honey, condensed milk, and some rice vinegar. Now go ahead and give that a good mix. Just like so, guys. This looks great. Now go ahead and set this aside. So I have some cornstarch right here. So what I'm going to do, take my shrimp and I'm just going to dust them with the cornstarch. After they are nice and covered with that cornstarch, go ahead and take them out and place them on a cookie sheet. In a large pot over medium heat, I am going to add my oil. And I just want to fill it up enough that I'll be able to fry my shrimp. So my oil is nice and hot, so what I'm going to do now is add in my shrimp. And I'm just going to fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, this is how they are looking. So I'm just going to place them on some paper towels. We're going to continue the same process for the second batch. As you can see, my shrimp are done. I'm just going to add them in here. Give them a nice toss. Just like so, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, the moment we've been waiting for. My honey walnut shrimp is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? That's something you would get at a restaurant, okay? And my mouth is watery and I cannot wait to dig in. So good. This recipe was literally under 30 minutes and it is delicious. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.